Connect Firefly's AI to n8n. So in this step-by-step video, I will show you how to integrate meeting data from Fireflies into your workflows. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into your Firefly's AI dashboard and go to the API and integrations. And then generate your API token. Step 2. In n8n, create a new workflow. Add an HTTP request node and paste your Firefly's API endpoint such as to fetch meeting transcripts. And then, step 3, in the request node, set the method to get. And under the headers, insert authorization colon, bearer, and then your API token. Step 4, test the request to confirm it pulls the transcript or meeting data. Step 5. Now you can connect this data to a Notion Google Sheets or Airtable node to store the output. And then you can also add filters or conditions based on your speaker or keyword. Step 6. Schedule the workflow using a cron node so it runs automatically after each meeting is completed. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.